What's going on, everybody? This is Davus, and today we're going to be answering the question, whose fucking idea was this piece of shit? I mean, look at this. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, that's not it. Today we're going to be answering the question, what kind of cool shit can we find in this thing? I hope it's going to be interesting. Let's fucking get into it. Alright, well, with most things, the first step is to start. So, let's go through. I'm gonna pull all these screws off, make sure I'm still in. Yeah, still in. Behind door number one's a speaker, I would assume. Although I have no freaking clue what that is. Oh wait, is this to... Oh, it's a handle. But it's to lift the battery out. Oh, this is the motor. Ooh. That's exciting. Alright, well. See if we can dig a little bit further here. Okay, so we found the cell. Let's assume this unplugs. Or not. Holy crap, that motor is tiny. Huh. Oh, interesting. Well, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is slightly disappointing. I expected much larger motors. Like, this motor's tiny. Like, considering how much power this has to move, I mean, it's got quite a bit of torque, but it's just so small. Guess we'll have to get a better look at it once I finish taking things apart. Alright, well, this hasn't been recording for the last 15-20 minutes. Yeah, figured out down here, not the motor. I think the motor's going to end up being inside this wheel here. So that's what we're in the progress. Oh, these are on tight. Seeing what's going on in there. One more screw, or two more screws. That last one's being a huge pain. Alright, I'm bringing in the heavies. Let's see you fight an impact, cousin fucker. Well, that was just funny. Oh, yeah. Well, there it is. Wow. Look at that. And you know what? Completely fucking worthless to me. What am I gonna do with this? Am I gonna adapt this somehow? Well, maybe. I doubt it. So I think this guy just comes out. So in the process, I cut the battery out. So let's grab some electrical tape and be smart, because I'm not sure if I caught it on camera earlier, but yeah, sparks were had. I'd rather not have this battery start on fire, because my guess is it's a LiPo, and it would burn, and it would burn bright. Probably should have covered up the positive instead of the negative, but what's it gonna ground down? You're gonna make it removable anyway. Oh, that comes off. Cool. Alright, well this is what we're left with on the battery pack. Looks like there's a couple more screws. Let's see what's beyond. Actually wanted lithium ion anyway. So, +1 for me, I guess. Ooh. Look at all these. Oh, look at that. Now this, my friends, is fucking amazing. Look at all these cells. Are they the 18650? Yes, sir. 18650. I think these ones are smaller down here. 18650, so they are still 18650s, but they definitely are smaller. This is going to be awesome. Alright, let's go over what we found. Alright, well, we've got a hoverboard that'll never work again, but what exactly did we get out of the deal? Well, the biggest thing that we've gotten out of this we can use in future projects is all these lithium ion cells. I'm not quite sure how many are here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 20 lithium 18650 cells at 3 or 4.1 volts or 3.5 or something. Those will be awesome. It's extremely useful in future projects, about 4,000 milliamp hours worth. And this thing isn't that old, so these cells are probably still at decent capacity. Cells haven't been maintained. I don't think I've charged this thing in forever, but whatever. They'll still work. We've also got this. It's completely useless. So this is the actual motor. It's built into the tire. So as you saw, we pulled this right out of here. Oh, hey, look at that. We got a nice bearing in there. That'll actually be really useful. But anyway, so this will be completely useless unless I wanted the tire assembly with it. So I guess I've got a big fucking tire motor. I don't know. Never know what I'm going to do with that, but got it. Maybe a few capacitors in there that I probably will never take apart. It's just not worth my time. Fuck ton of screws. I would recommend not buying one of these to take apart. Not really worth it, but anyway, you know, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. And if you did, I'd really appreciate it if you went through, left a comment. You know, what can I do with this freaking motor, man? Let me know. All right. If you're feeling inclined, you know, you can touch the subscribe button. You know, it definitely wouldn't hurt. All right. It really helps me out. But anyway, hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.